3, 2, 1, go.
And this is the start of our autonomous period, folks. Red Alliance and Blue Alliance both trying to get as much into their scoring hubs during this period. 359 and 5071 releasing as much fuel into their hub as possible as 4175 Coded Summits tries to follow suit. Both human players on each side are trying to score as much as they can as we leave our autonomous period. All right, and now we are in the start of our teleop period, folks. 5071 looking to try and get as much fuel as possible. 359 trying to score before their active zone ends. And Red Alliance's hub is now active. 4175 Coded Summit is looking to try and score as much into their hub as they can as 11100 Team Epsilon tries to follow suit. Blue Alliance looking to try and get as much fuel into their half of the field as they possibly can to try and prepare for their scoring period. Red Alliance getting their last few bits of fuel as their period ends, and we now move over to the Blue Alliance. 359, the Hawaiian Kids trying to get as much fuel as they can into their active scoring hub as 1569. Haywire Robotics is trying to play defense and stop them from getting in. Looks like 5071, the Charger Robotics are trying to follow suit as well. Blue Alliance is trying to get an absolute onslaught into their hub as Red Alliance tries to follow suit, and now it is their active period. 4175 Coded Summit trying to get as much in as they possibly can. 1569 trying to get in there as well. Blue Alliance trying to pillage and pilfer as much of the fuel as they can from the center of the field and the opposing alliance side of the field to try and prepare for their scoring period as Red Alliance tries to get last few pieces of fuel into their hub. Blue Alliance's scoring hub is now active and they are trying to get as much fuel as they can. They're releasing an absolute onslaught, getting as much as they can as we start to move closer towards this end game. All right, and Blue Alliance is getting as much as they can. 359 scoring so much. And we are now moving into the last 30 seconds, folks, as Red Alliance 4175 Coded Summit is trying to get as much as they can. 359 following suit for Blue Alliance. 5071 is trying their best. All right, and Red Alliance is getting as much as they can. It looks like 1569 Haywire Robotics is having a little bit of trouble with the bump in the middle of the field. 359 getting these last pieces in during these last 10 seconds. This is a very high-scoring match, folks. Both sides are doing phenomenally. 3, 2, 1, and that's our match, folks. For Qualification 65, and your winner is Blue Alliance with a score of 353 to Red Alliance's respectable 223. Blue Alliance got 4 ranking points, including the Energizer ranking point, just barely missing out on their Supercharged ranking point, while Red Alliance was able to get 1 Energizer ranking point for scoring 100 fuel into their